Well, good morning from Quitman, Texas. It's time for your April weather report, and I think so far this might be my favorite month, folks. Look at how incredibly gorgeous Stitchin Heaven is right now, or at least the pond at Stitchin Heaven. Sorry, that's not very fair. Retreat center, and then of course the shop's way over there past these beautiful little cottages.
I guess I should be quiet. It's only about 8 in the morning, and we do have a guest teacher this week. Raya Saloma is here this week. She's teaching for us at a retreat. She's got a bunch of wonderful students. They're going to all be working over here in our wonderful main retreat center. But man, like I said, it's just such beautiful weather. And I come here once a month at least to do some work, maybe special events or whatnot. And I've started tracking the weather, and I'm just about positive that this springtime is my very, very favorite. I haven't had any wild sunsets yet, which I also really look forward to because of the way the skies light up. But man, I'll tell you, it's pretty. Let's do a quick little tour. I'll show you what I'm seeing.
I would apologize for the noise, except for that's the birds, and I don't want to do anything about it, haha. But look at this, the flowers are in full bloom, and just so pretty out. I'll walk down to the pond here in a second. But yeah, this is the back of the retreat center. And we have a wonderful little fireplace and rockers where everyone likes to hang out in the evenings. Of course, the retreat center is open 24/7 for the guests, so they can sew as long as they want. Catered meals, just fantastic food. A lot of it, of course, is, you know, fun Texas flair.
So down by the pond, we've got a wonderful seating area where you can sit and enjoy any time of the day, of course. Weather right now, I think it's about 65 degrees. Oh, good guess, Rob, 66. And then check it out, the view of the cottages from here. Then we have 6 of those little guest cottages that sleep 4 each. Refrigerator, coffee maker, what else is in there? Of course, a little restroom. They have TVs in them now, if that's important to you. I've been using it to play my music while I'm drawing at night. And we won't go into the retreat center this morning. It's early and I'm not sure what guests have just arrived. Actually, the retreat starts this afternoon, but I can show you this portion of it. Yeah, it doesn't look like anybody's arrived at or is up and sewing yet this morning. But yeah, this whole place seats about 40 quilters. We've got wonderful ironing stations, design walls, and all of that. But isn't this place just magnificent? I love it. So yeah, if you haven't been out to Stitchin Heaven in Quitman, Texas, oh, look at that, new shirts and everything. Stitchin Heaven, Quitman, Texas, come out and see us. We just have the best time out here and just really enjoy all of the special events we put on. Of course, there's cruises that we do for travel. We do bus trips, we do land ahoy, but this is what I'm always so excited about is all of the guests that come here and spend 3, 4, 5 days sometimes at our special events. It's so fun.
Hey, nice shirt. I like that.
Thanks.
I'm gonna come in real quick and shoot a quick video, but we have people sleeping.
Wait, were they up late sewing?
Yes.
They were. Let's see what they were working on. All right, they were, weren't they? Oh, how fun. All right. You don't want to be on camera, huh?
No.
No, okay. Did you get coffee? Did you get the coffee started already?
I did.
Awesome. Give me 5. Thanks. We'll see you in a bit.
Yes.
Thank you. The aftermath of a late night sewing. I love it. All right, let's get out of here, folks, so they can sleep.